Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag for the Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description. We also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop those links in the video description. So on our station right here, we have a removable cover in the front. So just grab it from the sides and you can pull it out towards you. That's going to reveal our vacuum bag right here, which we need to remove. To remove the vacuum bag, just go ahead, grab it from the plastic tab, pull it up, dispose of your old one, take your new vacuum bag. I recommend writing the date on here so you can keep track of that a little bit better. Super convenient to see that date right there on the top of the handle. And then to install the new bag, just line up this plastic right here on the sides, and it just slots right down in. I like to push it down from the sides and then the top because these covers are a little bit flimsy, but super simple to install and swap out and add a new, fresh, empty vacuum bag. And then last but not least, we have our cover right here. It's only going to fit one way, so make sure you have it on and just gently press it in just like so, and you're all set and ready to go.